Should you use a micellar cleanser or an oil cleanser to remove makeup? I generally recommend oil-based cleansers primarily because it is much gentler on skin, and especially for girls, when you double cleanse, it's really because you want to remove oil-soluble pigments, which even with micellar cleansers can be quite a pain to remove. For instance, your mascara, your eyeliner, and anything that's heavily pigmented, you probably have to use quite a lot of micellar solution or even physical rubbing friction in order to get the makeup residue off. But the good thing with using an oil cleanser is that you actually can choose those that are more milky in texture as opposed to those which are pure oil formulas. This is really essential because oil formulas per se can sometimes leave your skin feeling greasy, whereas milk cleansers are an in-between, so they are an emulsion, so it contains oil in water. The key here is that like dissolves like. So when you are using an emulsion or oil-based formula to dissolve makeup pigments, it happens quite easily. And if you need to use even more product, which is the case for very thick or heavy makeup, like for photo shoots and for stage makeup, using more of an oil-based cleanser is unlikely to dry out your skin the way a micellar solution would. Finally, using an oil-based cleanser also means that the residue that is left on your skin, if it's formulated correctly, functions as a humectant, which means it can prevent moisture loss from the surface of your skin, and overall all that is very beneficial for keeping your skin barrier healthy. Whereas there are two major cons when it comes to micellar formulas. Firstly, they usually contain surfactants which can disrupt the skin barrier. And secondly, part of micellar cleansing does require one to use friction to remove residue on skin. And we know that friction and rubbing is bad for the skin barrier.